Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unhide songs on Spotify. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Spotify. Once you open Spotify, you simply need to click on the gear icon in the top right, and here you need to scroll down and you simply need to click on this option, that is show unplayable songs. You simply need to turn that on. Then you need to go back and simply need to click on the search history with the gear icon, and here you can see all your recent played songs. Okay, so let me select anyone. So here you can see that with one of the song you can see a minus icon. With two songs you simply need to hold that song, and here you can see the option of hidden. You simply need to tap that on. Now that song is visible, so let me select the second song as well. Okay, and now it is also unhidden. So this is the process by which you can unhide song on Spotify. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.